From RJPC.com, coming to you today to do a video, an intro video on a personal item I'm selling, and I hope you guys will enjoy it and like it as much as I have for the short period of time I used it. It is the Dymo Labelwriter 450 Twin Turbo. Now, I bought this a while back, and excuse me, during the time I owned it, I must have used it maybe 10 times, if that. This goes to show how much usage I had on this. I used for it. The reason I bought it, I thought I was going to do a lot of mailing with it, and I figured, well, let me pick something like this up. I could print my own postage out. I don't have to worry about going to the post office, and I could even pick up a bunch of stamps and stuff like that, and done that as well. But this here, you could do creative things with it. You could print your own labels out. You could add little icons, little graphics, and stuff like that. You could do a lot of things with this label Twin Pro Turbo Labelwriter by Dymo. I haven't used it in a long time, and that's a good thing because that's less use. That less use on the item itself. So I figured, you know what? Let me put it up there. Put it up on on eBay, and hopefully somebody out there will be able to have a good use for this thing and use it, to the fullest. Unlike me, I didn't use it that much. Like I said, if I used it 10 times, that was a lot during the whole time I owned it. And I just want to introduce myself too. My name is Rich Basine from RJPC.com. If this is the first time you stumbled onto this YouTube channel, I do sneak peek videos, intros, and demo videos, and I carry other topics too related to eBay and on eBay, off, on and off, so to speak. I do the reseller news sometimes and talk about certain items. But today I'm doing an intro on this particular item here, and my purpose for making these videos is for the potential buyer, you, to make you aware of what I have to offer. I always like to describe the condition of the item, if it's if it's working, non-working, parts missing, damaged, whatever it may be. I like to always give the potential buyer a heads up and let them know as to what they're getting. So I always like to start off with the condition of this item. This item here is in good condition, very clean, pretty clean condition. It has like a little light scuff mark over here. You probably won't be able to see it in the video. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. I don't know. I don't want to keep holding this thing around, moving around. I don't want it to drop. But it's long here, folks. You take my word for it. I know the video is not showing it. But there it is, right there. See, it's like that line there, right there. That's the only flaw I see on it right now. Looking at it close up, there's no other really scuff marks on it. This here, from cleaning with a rag. Sometimes you got to, when you're doing plastics, when you're cleaning with plastic, things of this nature, you got to be careful of cloth you use, because sometimes that'll put like a little fine line scratch in it. But it's nothing bad. It's not like any grooves or anything. But it has light from cleaning most likely. You can see it's pretty clean now. Okay. You're getting this here with, oopsie, yeah. Here's the labels. There's not much labels on here to print. I didn't get much with it, to be honest with you. It's kind of like almost like the starter set, but you don't get much with it as far as that part goes. These are aftermarket labels, I believe. And this one here is where you print out your mailing label, your name and address on it. Okay. It is a nice versatile tool. If you're a person that does a lot of mailing and you send stuff out, it works really fine. It's a thermal printer, so you don't have to worry about ink cartridges. And people who know the Dymo name, they know it's a good product. It's a well-made product too. I enjoyed owning it, and I still enjoy owning it right till the day somebody else buys it. What you're getting with this here, as you can, well, let me just show you the condition of it first, so you can see right there. It's pretty clean condition. I like to always show the people what they get here. That's the other side of it. It's the back of it. That's the side. This is the side with the scuff mark on it. Yep, there it is right there. You can see it a little better now, folks. Okay. Back here is where you put your USB port, and here's your AC power adapter goes in there. That's the back of it there in case you want to see the model on there. That's the serial number on top. Okay. And along with that, let me move this aside so it doesn't fall off. Along with that, you get, well, this is a sample of what it looks like when you print it up. That's a sample of the postage. Okay. You're gonna get this. See, this is I believe it's a cleaning cloth. They call it cleaning card. I guess you somehow you put this in the. I'm not sure if you send it through the machine or whatever, and it cleans it up. I'm not sure. It was never even used. It just goes to show you, I didn't use it that much where I needed to clean it. It's still in the same pack since the day I bought it. You get software, software with it. It says over here Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Mac OS version 10.4 or later, English, French, I guess, whatever the other ones are. But you get that. You're going to get this software disc with it for your driver software. And just to let you know, this system, this Dymo did run on my Windows 10 operating system on my computer. So I just want to let you know, so if you have a Windows 10, it will work. It should work. It worked on mine. I don't see why it won't work on yours. You're getting 2 booklets with it. You're getting the, I'm not sure if this is like a supply booklet, card scan. Well, I guess this tells you a little about different things you could do with it. Dyno stamp software, power indicia. It's just a booklet that tells you a little about it, I didn't get the scale with it. I bought a scale separate. So Dymo does make the scales that go with it as well. I wasn't at the time wasn't interested because I had a scale. I already had a scale, so I bought this in a separate. Here's the quick start guide that comes with it. So you're getting, this is all original stuff. And just to let you guys know, I am the original owner of this here. So it's not a hand-me-down. It's not one that was bought at a thrift store. I am the original owner. It's a one-owner item, so you don't have to worry about buying something saying, "Geez, so many hands that's been passed down through." That's not the case here. Okay, so that's what you're getting with that. You do get the AC power adapter. Here's the cord that goes with it. Okay, you plug it in here, and you are getting with it the USB printer cable with it. Okay, that comes with it. So everything you see here, folks, you're going to get. I'm going to move my webcam down so you can see it. Everything you see here is what you're getting. You're getting this. You're getting almost a full roll of labels in here. Okay, almost a full roll of labels. And you're getting the postage. You got some labels for postage. I don't know how much is actually on there. You still have enough though to print postage if you need postage to print out. So you're okay with that. Let's see what else. And basically that's it. There's not really much to talk to you about. That's all I have right now as far as that. I got to do another video in regards to a computer that was mine that kind of crashed on me, and I'm going to be putting it up on eBay. I'm going to sell it. I'm not going to sell it as a whole. I'm going to sell it in parts. Okay. And the reason why I'm doing that, people may say, well, why don't you just sell it as a whole? Thing. I figured if a tech guy out there, technical person that deals with these, likes to build them, or a tech builder, that likes to build PCs, they might not want the whole computer. They might want the power adapter. They might want, power supply unit. They may want the motherboard. They may want just the case, the bare bones case as they call it, because it's stripped. I took everything out of it. They're not getting a hard drive with it, because I had the hard drive I needed for my own person. I have a lot of data on it, and I didn't have it. It wasn't able to back it up. But anyway, I got to do a video on that, and that's going to be probably a lot longer because I'm going into and talking about what I did with the computer, why it stopped working and stuff like that. So that's a little more in depth. But I don't want this to go any more longer than what it is. This is what I got going on, folks. Again, it's the Dymo Labelwriter 450 Twin Turbo. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message me on the eBay message board, and I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. And thanks again for stopping by. And if this is your first time, landed on this channel, on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to it. Let's have you as a subscriber. If you like what I do with these videos, you think they're helpful in any way, you want to give them a thumbs up, that's fine. If you don't, that's fine too. I do these videos to, give the potential buyers a little insight as to what they're getting from me. If you look at my YouTube channel, you'll see I have a lot of videos for intro, sneak peek videos, and I do a lot of that there. And in closing, I just want to say I had a long time ago, I don't think it was a follower, but somebody came across my channel and they stated, why do you do videos on things like this here? Talk about it. People want to learn. They want to learn from certain things. They don't want to hear about things of that nature. I said, well, I told the person, I messaged it back very cordial. You know, I wasn't upset or anything. I could take constructive criticism, and I said, I do it for the potential buyers. These are for eBay buyers. You know, these are for people that can land on the site and they want to, they're interested in an item and they want, they see it and they might be want to, they might want to buy it. But I like videos. Still photos are good, but I like the videos. I think videos give a little more insight, a little more depth, in-depth learning about the item I'm selling. But anyway, guys, I don't want to keep talking about that. I'll talk to you soon. If you like this item, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thanks again, and you have a great day. Bye-bye now.